Bjorn Stethoscope charm rings. Hey guys, it's Nurse Jenny from Bjorn and I'm here to tell you about the Bjorn Stethoscope charm rings that I've created. I'll do a quick unboxing of the charm ring and then I'll show you how to put it on your stethoscope. Here is the box with the signature Bjorn blue and white colors. Open it up. Inside this little pamphlet is a QR code that'll take you to a video that shows you how to put the stethoscope charm ring onto your stethoscope. And here is the charm ring. It comes looking like a jewelry box, really. Just take it out just like that. The inside diameter of this charm ring is 1 centimeter, which is 0.39 of an inch, and will fit the Bjorn stethoscope perfectly. If you do not have a Bjorn stethoscope, please make sure that you measure the diameter of your tubing before considering this charm ring. So let me now show you how to put your charm ring onto your Bjorn stethoscope. The first thing you're going to do is to pull off the chest piece from the tubing. And you're going to do this by holding firmly on the tube, firmly on the chest piece, and pull apart. Don't worry, this will not hurt or damage your Bjorn stethoscope. The next part is the hardest part, and this is because of the tubing right here being a little bit thicker than the tubing down here due to the chest piece sitting inside of it. So, what you're going to do, you're going to feed the tubing through, push it in. Once you've got it pushed in on all the sides, you're going to start twisting and pushing. Twist, push, until you get past that bit where the chest piece stem has been sitting. Or to the point where you can grip here and pull. There we go. It's onto your tubing. The next bit, how to put your stethoscope chest piece back on. You're going to lie your stethoscope flat and line up your chest piece the way you want it and just push it right in. And that will create a nice sit around your neck and it's not going to be twisting. If you are struggling a little bit with getting the charm over that first bit of the tubing, what you can do is put a little bit of antibacterial hand gel just on the outside of the tubing to make the stethoscope charm ring slide over it easier. Just make sure not to put any gel inside of the actual tubing. You can wear your stethoscope charm ring here on your stethoscope, or you can wear it all the way up here. Now, I prefer to wear it up here, and I'll tell you why. Sometimes the chest piece is a little bit heavier than the binaural, so they slide a little bit like that. If you have your charm up here, it creates a nice even weight, and the stethoscope will sit very nice around your neck. Another place where you can fit your stethoscope charm ring is right here on your binaurals. And to do that, you need to remove one of your earpieces, feed the stethoscope charm through, twist it on until you've got it where you want it. Put your earpiece back on and there you have it. How to clean your stethoscope charm ring. Well, you can clean your stethoscope and your stethoscope charm ring with whatever brand of wipes that your hospital is using. But to give it a thorough clean, this is what you need to do. You need to grab your antibacterial hand gel, put a few pumps in your hand, put your stethoscope charm ring in, and do this. Make sure you get all the areas covered. There it is, covered in antibacterial hand gel. Leave it to dry, and then you can put it back onto your stethoscope. Leave a little sparkle wherever you go. Sprinkle it around and watch it grow. May this stethoscope charm with its glow let your next shift be part of the sparkling show. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on my next video, and as always, remember, listen with your heart.